Did you know that you could get free accommodation with complimentary breakfast on your long layover in Istanbul? Now here's how this happened. So I was traveling from Abu Dhabi to London with Turkish Airways. Now why Turkish Airways? Usually when I'm booking a flight, the first thing I would do is a flight comparison. So my flight comparison website of choice is Priceline. I know persons will use many different websites. For me, Priceline has been working for many years, and so I stick with it. Now, I noticed in my initial search that Turkish Airways had the best price for this season, and so I did another comparison on the official Turkish Airways website. And what I noticed when I went over to the official website is that there is a special package that they offer. Now, this package is called the Tour Istanbul package. This package is the exact same price as a normal flight, but this comes with free accommodation and complimentary breakfast. Hello? Yes, sign me up. Now this gives you the opportunity to explore the gems of Istanbul, but make sure to check if you will need a visa to exit the airport. For me, I needed a visa because I was traveling on a Jamaican passport. So I had to apply through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs website, which cost 25 USD, and I got my e-visa within 1 minute of submission of the application. So it was quite an easy process. Now, what did I do on a long layover in Istanbul? First and foremost, I purchased an Istanbul e-pass for tourists, which gives you access to over 75 tourist attractions in the area. Now, naturally, you're not able to visit over 75 attractions in one day, and so you'd have to do your research prior. You'd have to prioritize which attractions are more interesting to you that you would like to visit. One advantage of having the e-pass is that it takes away the hassle of trying to figure things out for yourself. So when I purchased my e-pass, I was added to a WhatsApp group with all the tour operators in it. And they communicated with me from the moment I purchased the e-pass. They asked me what date I was arriving, and on the day of my arrival, again, we communicated. They told us where the meeting location was, and everything was smooth and easy. So I do believe for a short time in Istanbul, having the e-pass is way more advantageous. I think it cost about 185 euros. And I think it's a good investment. So I made sure I booked a flight that was landing in the early morning. So I think I landed about 5:30 in the morning, cleared immigration, took a taxi to the hotel, freshened up, had breakfast, and then the rest was history.
With Hagia Sophia, because the same emperor, Roman Emperor Justinianus, commissioned Hagia Sophia and this place too. And it took 3 years. In 535, Romans can finish this place. From that time until Ottomans, around 1.
How much? 25.
What is in this one?
Cheese.
What is it called?
Cheese.
What is it called?
Yes.
What's the snack? What's the snack? What's the name?
Simi.
Okay. May I have one, please?
Now, in that place, at the south of the different king and consultants located, especially from all over the world.
Old road from India to Egypt, Cairo Khan and Khalili, the brother of Egyptian Bazaar. For this reason, it is called the Egyptian Bazaar or Spice Market. Built in 1660 with the mosque near to the bazaar called Yerijan.
What would you do on your long layover in Istanbul? Share with us in the comments below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content.